Hello viewers, here's a few Murray Feiss ceiling fans from the Habitat. These are new in box. I suspect they're probably a product of the 90s, would be my guess. I don't really see a date code on here anywhere. This one looks like it got kind of wet at some point, so I don't know if this is going to be in good condition or not. They only want $15 a piece for these, so I want to see if they're any good, and if they're decent, then maybe I'll go back and get a few more. I think I grabbed one of each finish, or at least what the picture showed on the outside. I don't know if that picture on the outside is an accurate representation of what's on the inside. This one had no picture on the box. I'm not really sure what it looks like. Looks like it's going to be a medium oak something or other blade, which is nice. And, oh, it's a little G vent. There's the irons. Cool. Let's see if we got a date code on here. I don't see one. Or at least one that's not encrypted, unless that's 0090. Maybe that's 1990. I don't know. I'm not going to assume anything about the date. But, okay. That's a nice one. Too bad, I think this is the only one that's like it. I don't think there's any other brass ones, but that's a nice fan. I'd buy a few more of those. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we got. A few others, perhaps in a more unique finish. This is like a brown looking one. Looks like this might have been opened at some point and retaped. Okay, so this is like a gray color. So it looks like it's the same model as the other one, except this one's gray. Gray motor, gray irons. Oh, the motor's different. Okay, it's not the same as the other one. Oh, the switch housing is detached. This is a totally different model. Okay, so there's that. This doesn't seem like it's that old. The bearings are any good. The bearings are okay. There's the informations. Okay. And this one, okay, so I got to go back to that store and I got to take a look at these a little bit more closely, because the picture on the box is not an indication of what color fan is in there. I'm not really sure. Oh, here we go. This is checked off. So I got to go back and I got to look and see what kind of configurations there is, because if there's any more of these in brass or white, I think this is a white one. Let's see, what is it? Oh, this has no selection. Beige, plain. Oh, there was a cane option. This tape everywhere. Too much tape. That's a running theme around here. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back. For all I know, there could be no single match. I have to wonder where these came from. It's kind of odd to see this many new unboxed fans show up like that. Very strange. Oh, this is a totally different color. It's a unique color. So this, I think, is more like the last one, the second one. The motor looks more like the second one. This one's dated February 1988. Okay, so this is a little bit more interesting than I thought it was. I looked at it closely, or I mean quickly, and I kind of brushed it off as you know, just a bunch of the same model, but these are all different colors. This is suddenly drastically more intriguing. Well, I'm going back tomorrow.